This one got hit down low right here in the back. Folded up the trunk floor a little bit, right in here as well. I have a Hyundai Elantra here. This one got hit down low right here in the back. I've had a bunch of these lately hit like this. It folded up the trunk floor a little bit, right in here as well. So this one's gonna get a new rear body panel, which I have right here. But first, I'm gonna make some pulls and pull that damage out. Once I get that roughly pulled out, I will go ahead and cut this rear body panel off, and then I'll be able to finish out hammer doweling the floor after that. Since this is gonna get a new back panel anyway, I went ahead and I drilled a hole through the back panel, and I put this plate in here, and I'm gonna use this to pull off of. I was getting ready to fit up the taillights, make sure everything's fitting correctly before I weld this together, and I realized both of these studs, the plastic was cracked around them, and the studs just fell out as soon as I went to bolt the taillight up. So we need a taillight. My guess is when it got hit, it flexed and caused cracks in the plastic, and then as soon as I went to mess with it, it started just falling apart. So this one is going to be on hold until I get a taillight, because I don't want to weld this in until I make sure everything's fitting properly. It just showed up, so I'm going to go ahead and fit this taillight up, get everything fitting correctly, and then I'll be able to go ahead and weld this rear body panel on. I got everything fitting very nice on this. Both my taillights are lining up good, nice even gaps. It seals nice across the bottom and opens and latches properly. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the taillights back out and get this rear body panel welded on and finished up.
I stay putting in that